I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video for Wednesday, the 29th of September. Getting so close to that lovely month of October, and we've got some lovely weather here. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. First off, from downtown Birmingham, looking north from the top of the Daniel Building. Again, clear and refreshing this morning. Most folks are in the 50s. That's one of our Shelby County Skycams on the campus of the University of Montevallo. The sky crystal clear. And down in Chilton County, there's a look at Clanton coming from the Skycam there. Water vapor satellite shot, big trough over the east, hot ridge over the west. And again, that's going to set the stage for some great weather here for a while and keep any tropical issues well to the east of Alabama. And look at those 40s up there in northwest Alabama. Come on now. Haleyville, 45 at 5 o'clock. Coleman, 46. That's just great. Birmingham sitting at 52. Same for Gadsden. And nights will stay nice and cool. And we might even see some 30s for the cooler pockets early next week. Maybe upper 30s for places like Valley Head, as you'll see. And around the nation, there's that nice cool air coming down the trough over the east. I see temperatures near freezing up there in Canada, north of the Great Lakes. And 40s all the way down into North Alabama. And, of course, the warmer readings are out west. The convective outlook today got a slight risk of severe weather on the middle Atlantic coast. And they're going to be awfully wet over there. Look at the rain for the next 5 days. Rainfall amounts anywhere from 4 to 8 inches from Miami to Charleston. Charleston's got a bullseye of 7.7 inches. Then on up into New England. It looks like the interior part of New England could see the heaviest rain from our tropical system that is lifting north, but Alabama, not a drop of rain. This is valid through Sunday evening at 7. There's the tropics. We've got Tropical Depression 16 sitting on the tip of Cuba there, and a couple of waves out there in the central Atlantic with no sign of any development. There's a look at the depression, and it's really the clump of convection that's over Cuba that would be the CDO of that thing, and it should become Tropical Storm Nicole. I think it will get a name, but the main impact will be just a lot of rain as it moves north. There's the track, and the Hurricane Center has it as a tropical storm briefly later today, tonight, and then it becomes extra tropical. It basically becomes like a nor'easter type thing, a colder core system as it comes up into the eastern U.S., in coming days toward the end of the week. And again, it doesn't make a lot of sense to focus on the center because the higher winds are going to be well removed and it's just going to be a big mass of rain coming up through there. But all of that stays well east of where we are. There's the GFS, the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet up. Upper low square over Gadsden, Alabama. And heat bubble off to the west, and, of course, that steering currents will keep all that rain east of here. Another beautiful day today, sunny with a high close to 80. Heaviest rain could be a little offshore, just east of Florida today, but they got soaked yesterday and last night, and that rain is coming up toward the Carolina coast. Tomorrow, the system lifts north. We are still in dry air, low 80s, pretty much the same thing on Friday. Just gorgeous weather. Here comes a new surge of cooler air. Look at the 540 line diving down into the Great Lakes. And Saturday, starting off the weekend, we've still got the eastern trough, the delivery mechanism for this nice air. Pretty good vortex around Chicago that should sharpen the trough up a little bit by Sunday. Down below that, the new surge of dry air begins to come in. There's Sunday, and the thickness values are coming down. Sunday, probably high in the low 70s. We'll start the day maybe in the upper 40s, and Monday morning could be pretty chilly, maybe mid to upper 40s, with a high in the low to mid 70s. Tuesday, same deal. And a week from today, we stay dry and comfortable. Let's go out there 4 more days on the 11th. We've seen model madness out here. You know, we had that one run that showed a strong trough to the west and a big rain event. Well, that's gone. In fact, it was really on only one run, so we consider that an outlier. And this shows ridging here, and that'll be up in the mid-80s with no rain. Another tropical system almost identical to Nicole down there. And on the 14th, the end of the forecast period, the polar jet is up north. And again, we've seen a couple of runs that developed a really deep trough that would get us maybe in the upper 30s. Well, that look is gone. And again, down below that, the tropical system is lifting northeast, and Alabama stays dry. Bottom line is, our weather looks pretty benign here for the next 2 weeks into mid-October. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.